Any advice for students?
I would probably say plan ahead and kind of like get a general idea of where you want to go and like think about like money and like how far away it is from home and like this class sizes and things like that.
Quickly, and like start early.
Like I said, make sure you have everything planned, you know, the schools that you want to go to, make sure you have all your stuff in before the deadline for school, which I think is Thanksgiving. Yeah, just make sure you have everything planned beforehand.
You should apply places as early as you can. Like what I did was 2 days after the application came out, I made sure to get a jump on getting it started. You don't necessarily have to send it out right away, but as long as you get started in the process, it's really easy so that in the long run, you have all of your stuff set up for you. And then also just make sure you really visit the campus, because if you go to a college and you decide you're going to go there, and then you send in your final application and you decide that's where you're going to go, and then you end up going to the campus and you hate it, you're kind of stuck there. So make sure that you visit the campus too.
Probably say plan ahead.
Have everything planned, you know.
Don't wait. Get your applications started early.
Apply right away, do it, get it out of the way, and it'll be so much easier. You won't have to worry about anything.
And have fun.